Alam nyo ba na maraming aspeto ang nakaka-affect doon sa pamimili natin ng bangko kung saan tayo mag-a-avail ng installment program? And another aspect or another thing that could affect our decision making is yung interest rate. Alright, so hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So in this content, itutuloy natin ang ating discussion with regards to the BDO and the PNB credit card installment program and convert to cash installment program. So we've been talking before doon sa pamimili kung anong bangko tayo mag-a-avail ng installment program. Sa PNB ba or sa BDO? Alam nyo ba na maraming aspeto ang nakaka-affect doon sa pamimili natin ng bangko kung saan tayo mag-a-avail ng installment program? Alright, of course, kung meron akong credit card kay BDO, of course, doon ako mag-a-apply. As well as, kung ang credit card mo naman ay nasa PNB, di doon ka mag-apply ng convert to cash installment program. And second thing na nakaka-affect sa decision natin, you want to have a credit card from the PNB dahil napupusuhan mo siya, pero of course, you have to wait. Kailangan ma-approve muna yung credit card application mo with PNB before you can try to apply for the Convert to Cash installment program. Katulad ng ating subscriber na nag-a-ask, si Asset. Alright, so sana hindi ako nagkamali sa pangalan niya. Ito yung query niya from our YouTube channel.
Hi, Miss Crisel. Tanong ko lang po kung pwedeng mag-credit to cash na mababa ang monthly interest sa PNB Zelo? If meron po, ano ang pinagkaiba niya sa ibang banks kung ganon? Meron po kasi akong installment card sa BDO na ginagamit ko lang for cash installments. Hindi ko po alam kung worth it kasi may annual fee yung BDO na 1K lang per year at wala ding points. So, I am thinking kung mas maganda siya. Salamat po.
So gusto niyang malaman kung ano ang difference. May difference ba? Or siguro, sino ang mas okay? Alright, so si Asset kasi meron na siyang credit card with BDO. She wants to know or he wants to know kung ano yung difference ni BDO at saka ni PNB when it comes to the cash installment program of the Banco de Oro and the convert to cash installment program ni PNB. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang makaka-affect sa decision-making natin is, syempre, kung meron ka ng credit card with BDO, doon ka, or kung PNB naman ang meron sa'yo, so sa PNB ka. And another aspect or another thing that could affect our decision-making is yung interest rate. Alright, so I have laid all the cards. You choose which one would you like to get? Kasi kung titignan natin, when it comes to the interest rate, konti lang naman yung difference between the two. May kagandahan si Banco de Oro, meron ding kagandahan si PNB. Si Banco de Oro nag-o-offer ng 12 months to 36 months na terms, while si PNB offers 3 months to 36 months. Ang kagandahan naman sa 3 months, shorter term lamang, alam mong mas maliit lamang yung ibabayad mong interest with them. At kung may available na cash ka naman talaga, na kaya mo talagang bayaran yung inutang mo in 3 months time, so why have the longer term when you can pay it in 3 months time? O, di ba?
Yeah.
Alright, so ano pa ba ang nakaka-affect sa decision making natin? Ang sabi ng isa kong kaibigan, popularity matters. Aba, talaga naman. Popularity matters. Ano to? Popularity contest? Paramihan ng, ano ba yon? Basta yun na yun. Alright, so what does she means when she said popularity matters? Ganito kasi, kung titignan natin si BDO, everywhere meron akong nababasa. BDO installment program, BDO promo, 30% churba-churba, ang dami. May patunay ba? Tignan natin. Ayun, may patunay nga. How about si PNB? Saan natin nakikita ang mga promos ni PNB? Well, sad to say, wala akong masyadong nakikita sa mga stores, shopping malls, sa mga cashier section. Wala akong nakikita. Ang nakikita ko talaga is si BDO. Alright, pero alam nyo ba na may pabigla-bigla naman itong si PNB? Kasi kung minsan kapag ginagamit ko yung credit card ko to pay, biglang sasabihin ng kahera, ma'am, meron kang 10% discount because you used your credit card from the PNB. Sabi ko, ganon? Yes, ma'am, meron. Meron pa yung biglang magugulat ka kasi sabi ni kahera, ma'am, meron kang free ganito, free na ganyan. Ang dami din talagang pa-promo si PNB. Kaya lang, hindi ko kasi sila nakikita na nagpro-promote sa mga cashiering section. Alam niyo yung ibig sabihin? Yung, dito yung kahera, may nakalagay dyan na karatula, maliit na karatula, and then talaga namang they are advertising the different promos from their bank, installment programs, discounts, and all that. Seldom do I see na may mga ganon si PNB. So siguro yun yung ibig sabihin ng kaibigan ko na popularity matters. But of course, PNB is one of the leading banks all over the world. And considering, meron silang PNB Compliance Ethics Program. O di ba? Pero syempre, hindi may kakaila na talaga namang si BDO punong-puno ng mga promos, punong-puno ng mga installment programs, yung buy now, pay later, okay, so purchase now and start to pay 3 months after, pasok naman talaga itong si BDO. That's what makes them popular naman talaga. Alright, so disclaimer, this video or this content is not directly intended to influence you to choose BDO or to choose PNB. What I did is I just laid their cards and the decision always depend on each of you. Kung sino at kung ano ang gusto nyo kay BDO at kay PNB, nasa inyo yun. On my end, it is only my obligation to just lay everything to you, and decision always depend on each of you, as what I've said a while ago. Kaya, ayun, kung meron na tayong mga planong mag-avail ng cash installment ni BDO or ng convert to cash ni PNB, ang importante dyan is isipin nating mabuti, meron ba talagang strong reason kung bakit tayo mag-avail ng installment na to? Kung reasonable naman, yes, why not? And considering na meron tayong available fund to pay, kasi nga installment ito. So, ibig sabihin, monthly ang amortization. Alright, so dyan na po tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Alright, and of course, I'd like to thank those who subscribed lately. Thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And please don't forget to tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified tuwing may mga videos tayong i-upload. Muli, maraming salamat and have a fruitful and a blessed year ahead. And don't forget, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, always remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!